We're going to review the first part of lesson 1.4 and lesson 1.5, do some practice problems. So here is our tic-tac-toe board over here, and we use this to find out what the sign will be for the answer. So if we have a positive times a negative, our answer is negative. Negative times a positive, our answer is negative. And negative times a negative, our answer is positive. For our first problem over here, we have negative 5 times 7. Negative times a positive. Our answer is going to be negative. 5 times 7 is 35. Next one here says negative 6 times negative 3. So we have a negative times a negative, and our answer is going to be positive. 6 times 3 is 18. Positive 18. And our last one over here says negative 18 divided by 2. We have a negative divided by a positive, and our answer is going to be negative. 18 divided by 2 is 9, so our answer is negative 9. And we can do the same thing when we have more than two integers that we're multiplying. So let's put our tic-tac-toe board in here. And when we multiply, we do two numbers at a time. Our first one says negative 2 times 3 times negative 8. So I'm going to worry about the negative 2 times 3 first. And that is a negative divided by a positive, and our answer is negative. 2 times 3 is 6, so negative 6. Bring down the negative 8. Now our math problem is negative 6 times negative 8. Negative times a negative is a positive. So our answer is positive 48. And the last one over here says negative 4 times negative 2 times negative 5. I'm going to look at negative 4 times negative 2 first. Negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 2 is 8. So now I have 8 times negative 5. We have a positive times a negative, so our answer is negative. 8 times 5 is 40, so our final answer is negative 40.